how do you assess Baker's day, and what role do you think, what was the main culprit, I guess, in the offense, just struggling to find a rhythm? 3 of 12 on third down sticks out in my mind.
Yeah, Nate, I'd like to watch the tape before I could really answer that, in terms of the whole thing. But yeah, I mean, not good enough staying on the field. I think maybe 0 for 3 on third down. So you're going to get beat doing those things, and we found out the hard way.
What did you the Odell drop? I know you were asked about it earlier. Did you talk to Odell about it? And just did it seem like him and Baker just had a hard time, consistently, getting in rhythm with each other?
Yeah, we didn't connect a few times out there. We got to get to the bottom of it, obviously. Pass game requires precision from 11 guys in order for it to go.
It looked like you were really trying to get Odell the ball, trying to get him involved, and it didn't seem like it was clicking. Why do you think you guys had such a hard time getting that going?
A few of those times where I did target him, there was some defensive penalties, so I would say that had something to do with it. But I got to be better. Give him a chance on some of those things, like the free play late in the game. Just give him a chance. He's a great player, so I got to give him a chance.
Baker, how did you feel just during the course of the game? Obviously, you guys didn't put up the points you wanted, but did you feel like there were times when the offense got in a flow? How did you feel just generally about working together as an offense with Kevin calling the plays?
Yeah, I thought we got into some rhythms, in little spurts during drives, but then a negative play would happen, and we couldn't overcome those. And the great teams do overcome those negative plays, or they save the downs and move forward.